you first get your cedar plank kit, on the back you get the care instructions, you get the marinade, and the spinach gratin. So let's open it up. And so bring your boards out, put them in another pan. Hopefully you have one that's large enough to fit your 14-inch planks in. Notice the char that's been pre-seasoned. The pre-season brings the oils out of the wood so you don't have to wait for it to burn. And we're going to show you that in the video. We've soaked our boards for 10 minutes. Now the purpose of buying a pre-treated cedar plank is that the oils have been lifted out by charring it lightly on top. So when you put your product, your fish or your chicken or pork on top, those flavors are going to come up. And it's not so thick that it'll take forever to heat up. That's the trick, is make sure that you have a thin enough board that the heat will apply and the flavors will come through. We're going to place this on the sheet pan like so. Now we're going to get our salmon. But here you go, gentlemen. This is cedar plank salmon with spinach gratin. Hope you enjoyed this video. Look forward to the next ones.